All right. Hello, dear family friends. If you're from Cotswold, Joey Jones back on the road, over the road. I just want to say I have my wife with me. Anyway, well, real quick, yes, you need to have a passenger, a request sheet, and you'll fill that out, and you can bring whoever you want to bring. You know, it's just I guess it's the Swift policy that we have, you know, and what they do is they'll register their second person to the vehicle's insurance, and then that's pretty much what that is. And then that's it. All right, so what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna be driving and she's gonna be holding the camera for me. So here we go. So then the safeties. What you need to know is that you're a professional truck driver. You're gonna set your seat up, and this goes to when you're going to school or you're by yourself. So right now, we have the four-way flashers on. Set your steering wheel, set your seat belt, everything is strapped, your mirrors, and basically what you're gonna do is drive this truck. And not only you're gonna drive this tractor, you're also gonna be driving the back. You have a 53-footer you're pulling. So it's a container that I'm pulling. No big difference. There's no big difference of trailer or container. They are 53 foot. I release my brakes. I have it on drive. Take off my four-way flashers. And then there it is. Take off slowly. Now I'm taking off. Watch your mirrors. That's the most important thing that you need to do. I like to wash my mirrors every 4 seconds. See, now I have the right of way. I still got my flashers on. Perfect. Now you can record forward. Turn the camera. I'm about to take this exit right now. And I like to give myself, you know, some time and let the people behind know that I'm getting ready to come off at this exit here. Of course, you're going to drive with both hands. You're trying to be as safe as possible. Try to get yourself a hands-free device.
Take Reading interchange on the right.
Get yourself a hands-free device.
US 222.
Already got on the curve. Slow down on the curve.
Continue up to Colonel Howard Boulevard.
Point straight forward. It's the camera. You see a 25 miles per hour sign? That's not for trucks. That's for cars. Drive along, watch your mirrors, watch the people behind you. Right now, I'm going by the navigation. Navigation's telling me where to go. So you always want to be looking at your mirrors as much as you can, as possible as you can, to be safe. So right now, I'm gonna use my signal because I'm gonna go over on the right shoulder. Use my mirrors. Give them 3 seconds. There we go. Now I'm on the right lane. Just gonna go here straight forward. I'm gonna take the first easy pass on the left. That's what I'm taking. No cash. Slow down. Use your mirrors. Slow down with your mirrors. Hold your steering wheel. Don't panic. Keep the truck straight. Signal, because we're getting on the far left. Now you start turning. Get on the far left. Watch your mirrors. There's nobody behind me. Good. I always like to, you know, make sure nobody's behind me. I really don't like it when there happens a lot of traffic behind me. Traffic light coming up.
US 222 south.
Start slowing down.
Faster.
Give yourself some time. And then also one time when between you and the traffic in front of you, you want to have at least, I say about a truck and a half or 2 trucks in front of you. The following distance. Use your mirrors. Straight ahead. See, I like to stop right here behind the traffic. Now it's a fresh green. I'm gonna hit that left. So what you want to do is, this is what I normally do. Use your mirrors. Make sure you're going for the green. I like to blow the horn because you're going that way. Cut. Here we go. Turn. You're gonna be entering right on there. See? Watch mirrors. Watch mirrors. Straightforward. Signal off. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this yield signal. We're gonna yield our way in there. No traffic. We're gonna yield ourselves right in there. Perfect. Watch the signs. Do I fit? Yes, I do. 13.5. 14.5. We are 13 and 6. We can do 13 and 5. I done 13 and 5. Can you do this too? When you're in school? Or if you're doing a road test? Watch your mirrors and your speed. My speed limit is 65. Right now I'm doing 60. If I can do 65, I'll do 65. If I don't need to do 65, then I won't. Trying to be as safe as possible. You're driving a big machine. These machines, they are heavy. They don't stop easy, especially when you're empty. Now when you're heavy, you stop a little faster. See, he just cut me off. Slow down. Just let go of the accelerator. Now go forward. And not only that, going forward, follow it to see, they cut you off again. Slow down. Just let go of the accelerator and keep going. When they cut you off, and if you stay put behind them, this right here, that's a camera. It records every event you do. So if you're going too fast, it'll record how fast you're going and the speed, the posted speed limit. So you will get a call for that. And if you're following distance and you're too close, you'll get a call for that too. And then it goes to CR England as well. Swear CR England and all these other trucking companies, they have the same system. Why do they have that? Because for your own safety, for your own good. And of course you don't want to take it. See straight ahead, you cut me off. You're gonna get caught up all day long. So just let go of the accelerator. The truck will slow down. And then you go, boom, step on it and keep the pace. You can do cruise control. These trucks, if you do cruise control, you set it and somebody cut you off, the sensor will slow you down automatically. See, he just cut me off. Slow down. Everybody cuts you off. You gotta pay attention. So see how close he cut me off? And you're on the phone? Anything can happen. He goes. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.